Yo, yo, yo. Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top 5 carry item. Top 5 carry items on my list. Bonus. This is speaker. Okay, Treblab speaker. I find it a sin to not have some speakers or some earbuds or something to play your music from other than your phone, because if you play it from your phone go die fast. So yeah, that's my thing. This is I told y'all this is a badass. This is a speaker and a power bank, so it doubles and troubles. And yeah, you can use it for either or, but yeah, bonus. Speaker. Where would it rank on your list? Would it make your top 5? Let me know. Deuces.